Hey guys, just a quick one. Now I've come to stripping my rear axles to lock the diffs up on the King Goaler. Now when this has been built, it's been built proper and Loctite's been used to stick it all together. Now I've tried all sorts to try and screw these out and they will not break whatsoever. I cannot get into them. So, some of you might be using used kits and wanting to upgrade stuff, or you might have built stuff up and then used Loctite yourself, and then you can't get back into like replacing parts on your truck because the screws are stuck and all you're doing is stripping the heads, etc. Now, there is a way around it. Loctite doesn't like heat, and it's same with nuts and bolts on a car, apart from you put a blowtorch to it. So what we're going to do to get into these is we're going to take the solder iron. Now I've already preheated this. Now depending on what you're doing, you might have to go via the front of the nut. I'll just move this closer then we can see. So yeah, if you have no access to the back where it's Loctited in, you may have to go via the front here. Now, all we're going to do is take the solder iron and just put it into the end of the screw thread there, and we're just going to leave that there for a little while until it starts heating through. Now, with the finger on the back, we know when it's going to heat through because we'll feel that getting hot. But, oops. You can see it's hot. If you look around the edge of the actual nut itself, you'll see it's bubbling. I don't know if you can see that via there, but basically, don't want to go too hot that we're going to melt the casing now, but now it's hot. So, put the solder iron back down. We'll take my screwdriver. And there we go. We have access. So as you can see on this one, which I haven't heated up, no matter what I do, and if I use one of these, it just won't go. So again, solder iron, just get that nut nice and warm. And basically all we're doing is melting the Loctite. Now don't leave this here and forget about it, that you end up melting your truck or whatever you're working on. It's not just used for RC, you can use this method for all kinds of stuff. But we'll just give that one a try now. Nope. It'll require a little bit longer heat. Let's just try it again. The solder iron, it cools itself down and heats itself back up, so there, no, there we go, it's got through. So now I can proceed with the rest of my nuts and bolts on the truck, hassle free, without stripping any screws, not making a mess of anything, and then I can put it back together. So If you like the video and it's a useful top tip, feel free to like it, share it, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Ciao for now, guys.